Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roosamekto Mamek. I am line dance instructor and choreographer. And this is the tutorial of Romeo Bachata, 64 counts, dual, intermediate level. Section 1. I am going to press over there, section 1. And this is my right foot, yeah? Okay? Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. And this is my left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. And this is my right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. And this is my left foot, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5. And this is my right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 6. And this is my right foot, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 7. And this is my left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now section 8. And this is my right foot, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the dance. Now I'm going to do from section 1 to section 8. And this is my right foot, yeah? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all the dance. There is no tag, no restart. Okay? I hope you like it. And there is restart. Restart. Sorry guys. There is restart on wall 5 after 16 count. Okay, thank you. I hope you like it. Don't forget, for those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.